Hi, I'm Andrea Cremone and I'm here today to show you how to remove and install a Mythos through Clump Crusher. To perform this task, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a small brush and a new Clump Crusher, only if the one in use is no longer usable, and a few minutes of work. This operation must be performed by a service manager or a qualified barista every 50,000 cycles. Let's start. To begin, remove the two little screws that lock the dispensing spout to the machine. Slide out the dispensing spout from the grinder. And after that, remove the spout from its support. If your Clump Crusher is still usable, use the brush to clean it carefully. Now, you are almost ready to install the Clump Crusher. The first thing you need to do is to put it over the metal channel. Make sure that the side flaps embrace the metal channel on the outside. The central flap is on the front side of the channel. The inner flaps are bent towards the inside of the channel in order to be approximately flat. Now it's time to put back the Clump Crusher and the metal channel into the plastic cover. Align the Clump Crusher with the exit chute and fit back into the grinder, starting from the crack on the back. Finally, just add the clip and tighten the two screws. Now you're done. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Victoria Arduino's how-to videos. See you soon!